Hi everyone, this is Cindy Scott, and I want to show you about a review game called Blooket. Blooket is sort of a new take on trivia games and review games. And the way that it works is that the teacher or a host picks a question set or creates a question set and then a unique game mode. And then they will generate a code for players that can join to play the game on their own devices. After the game starts, players will answer questions to help them win. And you may think this sounds a lot like Kahoot, and it is very, very similar to Kahoot, which is a game that lots of people know about and students just love. But I want to show you one of the differences with Kahoot and Blooket. But first, let's talk about how you would get started. So when you go to blooket.com, you will see this page, and you can sign up or you can log in. If you sign up, you can sign up for a free account through your email or your Google account. And I've already signed in through my Google account, therefore I don't have to remember a new password. So once the teacher signs in, then you will see lots and lots of different question sets. First, I want to show you, though, your dashboard. And your dashboard, if you have created sets, they will go here. Your favorites, you can assign the different sets for homework. And you can go back and look in your history to see what you have assigned before. So, as I said, you can create a review set, or you can discover sets that are already there. So for today's purposes, we're going to discover sets that have already been created. And again, when you go here, you will see lots and lots of sets that have already been created. Lots and lots and lots of different sets on many different subjects. If you wish, you can search for a set. Say you want to review multiplication, or you want to review photosynthesis or parts of speech, or just whatever. You can search for a set. There are also lots of just different games that are just for fun, little trivia games. So today I want to show you one of those so we can get used to how Blooket works. So I have chosen this game. It's called Name That Animal. And when you click on it, this is what you will see. And it again tells you the name of the game, tells you how to play it. The teacher can either choose to host a game, or students could even play it solo if they wanted. Today we're going to host a game. You can see that this game has been played over 13 million times, and 105,000 players consider it one of their favorites. So this one, like I said, has 30 questions, and here's the questions. What animal is this? It shows you the picture, and then it will give students 4 choices. The teacher can click on this to see the choices that the students will be given: tiger, lion, bear, and dog. Every question has 4 choices, and then on their own devices, the student would click the correct answer. You can see here that the person who created this question set is giving students 20 seconds per question to answer. You can turn on the random answer order so that every time this shows up on a different student's device, the answers are randomized. They will not all look the same. But as a teacher, before you play the game, you can go down and you can look on all of the different questions, the different pictures, to see what they are. Okay, so once you decide to host the game, you're going to click on host. And then what would happen is you're going to get a screen that looks like this. And here is the game ID that students will need to enter. So when a student goes to blooket.com, they will enter this code to get to play the game. I already have 2 players that I have placed to start the game, Christy and Cindy. And I will show you that when a student goes to play the game, let's go to Blooket.com, and the student would click join a game. They get this code, or this page, excuse me. They would put in that unique code. It was 671289. And then they can enter their nickname. Let's say Cheryl. And then it will show them all these choices of characters that they can choose to be. Okay, and now they are just waiting in the lobby, and this will be the screen that each student sees until the teacher actually starts the game. So now when we go, we can see that there are 3 players waiting in the lobby for the teacher to start the game. And when the teacher is ready and has enough players, or if there are 20 students in the class and all 20 students have played and are waiting in the lobby, then the teacher can go ahead and start the game. Now I want to tell you about how Blooket is different from Kahoot. If we go back to the question set that I have chosen, name that animal, when the teacher clicks on the host button, there are different game modes that the teacher can choose. And this is where the competition increases for the students. And so let me show you some of the game modes that the students can play. This one's called Gold Quest. And you see it says exciting twists and chests full of gold. Build your riches in this chaotic mode by answering questions to earn gold and take it from other players. Students love this one because not only are they answering questions, but when they answer correct questions, they get to earn gold. And if they're quick enough, they can also take gold from other players. This game is called Fishing Frenzy. It says cast, reel, and prepare for lots of surprises. Cast out your line and answer questions quickly to reel in the biggest fish in the whole wide area. This one's called Tower Defense. Action-packed defensive chaos. Answer questions, build towers, and design your defense to protect yourself from waves of evil blocks. I'm just telling you a few. The one that I have chosen for this tutorial is the racing game, and it says exhilarating suspense-filled action. Answer questions to race opponents and use power-ups to get to the finish line first. Okay, when the teacher is ready, she or he will click the start button and the game will start. You can see it's loading and it's ready, set, go. And then so this is what a student's screen will look like when they are playing the game. The question pops up with the picture, and then they will just choose the correct answer. It tells them if they're correct or not, and then they can click to go to the next question. And they just continue playing like this. And you can see here that they are earning coins. And the coins will allow them to buy blooks and go to the marketplace and buy different things. So the correct answer, I chose the wrong one, and here is the correct answer. It tells them. One thing that is great for the teacher is that there are lots of statistics and diagnostics that are shown. After each game is played, you can see how many people played, the percentage of correct answers, which student got first place, second place, third place, the percentage of correct answers for each student. And then there is this page where it'll tell you how many games you've played, how many coins your students have earned, how much gold that they have earned, and total points, total correct answers, just all kinds of different diagnostics for the teachers, for the teacher to see and be able to assess how the students are doing in the game. I think Blooket is just a really fun way to play review games, and it is a game that my students love. And when we are playing a game, the room is just totally engaged. I have 100% engagement of my students, each of them playing, because of the competitive nature of the different games, where it's not just answering questions. Behind the scenes, there's another game that they are actually trying to win so that they can win the coins and the go to the Blooket store and buy some Blooks. So I hope that this has been helpful to you, and I hope that you will try out Blooket. Thank you.